I can demo a couple of things. I can find the right tab here. Pending a couple of reviews. The new SQL UI is ready to ship. It's passing tests happily. So it's pretty much what I've done like before, but yeah, pull up something rewrite SQL here. Oh, I should pivot. Let's do this guy. So when you go to SQL mode, underneath this little options menu, you can choose to exit, which will basically just remove this little SQL indicator down here and close up the SQL editing. SQL superpowers, as we're calling it to be cute. Basically, if you turn off, puts you in do not parse. If I do this, you'll notice it also explodes this JavaScript, or not JavaScript, the SQL into the dialect SQL. So letting folks who want to do SQL really get SQL. We've changed the way we deal with the sidebar when you're the field list when you're in these modes. We actually leave it looking a little more active so that people can use it sort of as a schema browser, and you can still use the search and things if you want to. That's not going to work. And then we just have a little banner up here telling you this. That said, these don't click. And we may work to make that more obvious why they're not clicking because you're in this mode. If you go back to this superpowers mode, oops, sorry, and you write something unparsable like this, we do show you basically up here that we can't parse it. So we've disabled selection again. And over here, we give you a little bit of a different message. So if I have something parsable, we offer to exit and basically reparse it. If you can't parse it, we tell you that we can't do that, and you can just go ahead and toss it. So tossing it just takes you back to where you started. So that's the new SQL stuff with goals early next week. Yeah. Jerry, did I forget anything? I don't think so.
We did add a little shortcut to open and collapse the field picker here too, really quickly.
Oh yeah,
small UI thing, but at least you could like quickly toggle that and get it back and forth. So
that is actually shipping.
Mostly like when you're writing SQL, if you want to get it out of the way, it's a quick affordance to just save a little bit of real estate.